Do you kids like garbage trucks? Have you ever wondered how the garbage can gets clean? Oh, it is so stinky and dirty. So we have Patrick here with Kaizen Home Care. He's gonna show us how to clean our garbage cans today, is that right?
That's so right. Thank you so much for having me, Shayla. We do a 5-step process, so guess what the first step is?
I have no idea. Do you kids know what they're gonna do first?
Bring that out.
Oh my gosh.
You got it right. We're gonna do a soft wash on the whole entire garbage can. So let's get to it.
Okay, let's do it.
Is that dangerous?
It's only dangerous if you don't use it properly. So here are 3 things that I normally do before I even start washing my bins. Number 1, you wanna make sure that you're holding the gun properly and you're not pointing it at anybody, because we don't wanna get anybody hurt, right? Number 2 is you wanna have the proper materials on your hands to make sure that no ooey gooey nasty stuff gets on your hands, right? And number 3, always check inside your garbage bin to make sure there are no raccoons.
Have you guys heard of a raccoon before? These things can be very cute, but they're also pretty vicious. So no raccoons in your bins before you start. Do you have gloves for the kids by chance?
Of course I do. I always bring a spare pair. Let me see. Where did they go?
And Ari and Zane are walking into the street right now, but they are with adults because do we ever walk into the street?
Here you go. I got
wanna
one
be
pair
super
for
safe.
you. These are kind of big. And then I got my other pair right here for you. Let's see if I have the other one. Now make sure they're on tight because we don't want to get any harmful bacteria on our hands. Is that right?
That's right. Thank you for the gloves, Patrick. Let's jump right into that first step of the soft wash. Patrick, take it away.
All right, well, before anything, we want to make sure that you guys are off the street. We don't want to spray anybody. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pressure washer and we're just gonna spray. Now look at the technique that I'm using. I'm going up and down to make sure that I get all the dirt and dust off the bin. And I'm going all the way around the can to get any excess dirt off. The nice thing about this too, I can get small things off like tape if I just hold the pressure washer to it. Now it's gone. And then close the lid. I'm gonna spray the top again, make sure to get every square inch, because we don't let any stone unturned here. Hey Zane, my arm's kind of getting tired. Do you want to help me spray?
Yeah, Zane's gonna go help him out. Check it out. Hey Patrick, can you teach the kids at home and Zane how this thing works?
Yes, of course. So Zane, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use, well, what hand are you? You right-handed, left-handed?
He says right-handed.
Okay, so we're gonna use our dominant hand. We're gonna put that on the button.
Where's
so
the
that's,
button?
the
Let's see,
button
move your
is
hands
right
in.
here. It,
Here, move your
you
hands
see
so we
this?
can see it.
This is we call it the trigger. And then you're gonna use your left hand to stabilize it. And then you're gonna hold it down. It's gonna kick back, but you're strong, you got this.
Okay, go ahead and yeah.
Whoa!
You're doing that all by yourself, buddy. Good job. Zane, can you spray the wheels? I think I see some dirt on the wheels. We're gonna go a little closer. Okay, do you guys see that dirt on the wheels? We're gonna see if Zane can get that off. You ready, Zane? Let's see, oh, I see a little bit more. Well done. What do you think, Zane?
I'm gonna do that one for me.
Yeah?
Okay.
Can Ari try washing the recycle bin?
Of course she can. I need all the help I can get.
Okay, so remember, Ari, you're gonna hold this. This left hand is supporting it, and then you're gonna squeeze right here. Don't spray Patrick.
Oh yeah.
So guys, that thing that's putting out water, do you guys want to know how it works?
How?
Well, it's using electricity because we have a cord going all the way to the house, and that's getting electricity, and that's giving power to this. This is a power washer. Now what it does...
Like thunder. Is that also?
Thunderous, yeah, lightning's electricity as well. But this right here is a pressure washer. What happens is when he's spraying over there, the electricity in here, it has a motor and it's pushing all that water really hard through the hose so that it comes out really fast. With pressure, what's really cool about it, on this one right here, check this out. It has 3 letters, PSI. And that stands for, right here, pounds per square inch. So you know how long 1 inch is? About that long. So imagine if you have 2 inches like this, and you had one on this side, it's a square. That's 1 square inch. This has 2,500 PSI. That's a lot of PSI to be able to make sure that we get these nice and clean.
Step 2 is a degreasing and an odor repellent step. Patrick, can you explain what that means?
So I definitely wouldn't let the little ones around it. This is definitely a parent job, mainly because we're gonna take care of all the nasty, gooey stuff at the bottom and inside the trash can, and then make it smell really good after. But there are some things that you probably don't wanna be around, especially if you're a kid.
So something specifically in that is bleach. Patrick was telling me that there's just a little bit of bleach, and kids, if you ever hear the word bleach, that's not something that kids ever deal with, so don't ever touch that, okay? Patrick, go ahead and take it away.
Awesome.
Ari just asked me if she was able to do the spraying for step 2, and I said no, unfortunately, because this is something that only professionals deal with, because
Why?
there's some strong chemicals and there's some things inside of the cleaning solution that we only want adults to handle. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Let's keep watching Patrick, okay?
Step 3, we're going back to the basics. It's pretty much the same as step 1. We're gonna wash all of the cans and make sure that they are bacteria free and smelling great.
You say hi, Ari.
Look at all those bubbles.
I think number 3 is the most fun.
Yeah, oh, wait till number 4. Bubbles galore.
Ari, is it starting to rain?
Yeah, look at all of us. Gosh,
Ari's saying all of our talk is starting to go away with the rain. You know, a lot of times we can see things like rain and be like, oh, that's too bad, it's raining outside. Or we could think on the positive and think, you know what, it's raining and we can use some more moisture, our plants need water to grow, and we can see it as a fun new opportunity to see things more on the positive side.
Who likes bubbles?
Actually, step 4 has tons of bubbles.
All right.
Let's
Ari's
do it.
gonna go for it.
All right, Ari. Just spray. Spray and pray. Oh!
If you've ever wondered how soap actually cleans, actually parents, you might learn something with this one too. It has 2 things to it. The molecule of soap is like the little thing that's gonna help clean. How it works is soap, it has a part that is hydrophilic. What that means is it likes water. So it's gonna stick to anything that has water. And then the other part of it is hydrophobic. That means it does not like water, so it's gonna stick to dirt. So imagine this piece of dirt right here, this straw, all the parts that don't like water are gonna stick to this, and all the parts that do like water are gonna be on the outside. It's kind of, imagine this being in a bubble, and then the outside likes water, the inside doesn't, so it puts this in a bubble, and then when you spray it away, it goes away and you're clean. That's how soap works.
Patrick is actually starting on step 5, but we're not able to know what step 5 is. Do you want to know why?
Why?
Because it is proprietary, which means it's a secret. So Patrick, he owns a business. And one thing that you do with a business is you have to create value. You have to provide a service or a product or something that helps people. And so Patrick here, he has found a niche, which is a very specific market that he is gonna use to build his business. So he is a garbage bin washer, and that's his business.
So actually, I saw you.
She feels sneaky. She's watching him do step 5, huh?
He was spraying in the garbage.
He was spraying something, but we don't know what that is.
He was
Ari,
wiping inside the garbage can.
Ari, have you ever done a lemonade stand before?
Yeah,
Yeah?
multiple times. This is me doing my lemonade stand.
Yep, she loves doing a lemonade stand. And is that a business?
Yeah,
Are you providing value to people?
yeah.
On a hot summer day, we can do a lemonade stand to provide value to people who are walking around and maybe they're thirsty and it's so hot, they need to have something to drink, right?
Like cold.
But if it's cold, do people want to buy lemonade?
Hot. They need something like hot cocoa or something.
That's valid. That's very valid. And so we're not going to know the step to step 5 because that is a secret for Patrick's business, huh?
Yeah.
Does it feel funny?
Yeah.
Is it slimy?
Yeah. It's kind of like slime, but it's squishy. It's a little bit squishy. And fun to like slip with. Oh, I'm gonna clean myself. Clean, clean, clean. Now clean.
Wow, I was gonna teach the kids how to do that. Stop, wait. So what we're gonna do, so Ari's hands are really soapy, they're super dirty. We don't wanna just fling them off because that could make stuff go everywhere. So Ari went really, really fast on that one. So let's slow it down. She's not gonna take the glove off right here. We're gonna
like
flip it
this.
inside out.
And then flip.
Yep, so we keep it inside out. So now look, what
Now
I'm
I can
touching
wrap.
right now is clean because that's where Ari's hands were. It was on the inside. So now her glove is inside out and all the dirty stuff is on the inside.
Do you guys see all this stuff that they're using to clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, they had to buy all of that stuff. So Patrick, being the owner of the business, he has to buy the stuff to then use it. He's been an entrepreneur, which means he's doing his own thing. Like Ari was talking about with her lemonade stand.
Yeah.
She's being a little entrepreneur, making something, helping people out with the service. And that's what Patrick's doing right now. But he had to buy all of this stuff. And all of this stuff costs money. The pressure washer, these sprayers, all the chemicals, the hoses, the cords, all of this adds up to a lot of money so that then he can make money by helping people out. Isn't that cool? Just like you with your lemonade stand. Huh?
Yeah.
What's
and
up?
also, Mommy
Yeah?
actually bought me my lemonade stand.
Oh, that's right. We had to spend money, but then guess what? You made money because you sold the lemonade, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Patrick's just wrapping up with the very last step right now. If you can see, there are 2 different colors of bins, one blue and one green. Now, depending where you live, the trash cans might be a different color or the recycle bins might be a different color, but where we live, the blue bin is the recycle. So you're gonna put plastic, cardboard, paper, stuff like that. Oh, looks like Ari found something. It says recycle right there, but it says no glass, no trash, and no yard waste. Well, guess where you probably put that stuff? That's right, in the garbage bin. So this one right here is where you put all the sticky, yucky, dirty stuff. That's what this one is for. It works super well for that. And guess what? It holds all that stuff together, gets all that yucky stuff, and then throws it into the trash truck.
Wow, these bins look so insanely clean. You did such a good job. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
Okay, I don't know that I ever would have even dared to even smell inside of a garbage bin before this video, but now after, wow, that smells so good. Here, Ari, let me pick you up so you can smell it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so clean and sparkly.
It does. Not only does it smell good, but it looks good. Do you remember at the beginning of this video how gnarly the inside of this garbage can was? This is sparkling clean. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, Patrick. You were so helpful and so awesome for cleaning these. Can you tell us the name of your company again?
It's Kaizen Home Care. We're down here locally in Utah, family-owned business, and I'm just happy to help.
And parents, if you and your family are located in Utah or Salt Lake County, you can check out Kaizen Home Care for any of their services right here. Here at Kid Have Fit, we help kids to stay healthy, keep learning, and have fun. So thanks for joining us in this video, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.
Bye.